Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve recruitment processes with LinkedIn step by step clearly. Begin by defining your recruitment goals clearly. Identify the specific roles you need to fill and the skills required. Create a compelling company profile on LinkedIn. Ensure your company culture and values are well represented. Use high-quality images and engaging content to attract potential candidates. Next, leverage LinkedIn Talent Solutions. Explore the LinkedIn Recruiter tool for advanced search capabilities. Utilize filters to refine your search by location, skill set, and experience. Post job openings directly on LinkedIn. Craft engaging job descriptions that accurately reflect the role. Make sure to highlight key responsibilities and qualifications. Promote your job posts within your network. Encourage employees to share openings with their connections. Engage with passive candidates by using LinkedIn's in-mail feature. Research potential candidates through their profiles and interactions. Personalize your messages to engage them effectively. Utilize LinkedIn groups relevant to your industry. Join discussions to network with potential candidates. Monitor your company page and respond promptly to inquiries. Create a well-structured recruitment pipeline. Track candidates' progress throughout the hiring process. Collect feedback from your team to improve future recruitment strategies. Analyze the data from your hiring campaigns for insights. Adjust your approach based on the feedback and data collected. Continuously build your employer brand on LinkedIn. Share employee testimonials and success stories to attract talent. Stay active and visible in your industry to maintain engagement. Remember to follow up with all candidates, regardless of the outcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.